What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be covering the Stargate 4 Seasons indicator. And this one's straightforward. It's basically color coding the 4 different seasons. So if we pull this up, we can see that we have summer, spring, winter, fall. So summer's yellow, fall is like the orangish color, and then winter's the white color, and then blue is spring. So that's all it is. And then we have it set for the current hemisphere, which we're in the northern hemisphere. And that's it for this one. And we're going to include the moon phases, a part of the 4 seasons as well too. But let's cover the 4 seasons at first. What I do with this one basically is I just look to kind of like the past and the history of the chart that I'm on. And I look to see how price reacted during the different seasons usually. So I could see here that in spring, okay, we had one time where it was just consolidation at a bear market bottom. And then we had it on a breakout, this was a nice move breaking out here. And then on another breakout right here. And then for this time, this was when spring started, it was our like bottom, our local bottom, and we had a nice rally, but we're in a bear market at this point. So we ended up trending lower. And then here, another nice rally to a breakout. And then here, another nice rally to a breakout. And here, we had a minor, breakout, but then we pulled back down at this point. And then here, we pulled down at this point. So spring has a lot of big moves in it. It seems like most of the time, it's usually an upwards move. So we have out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 5 out of 8 that were upswings. So that's what I kind of usually do. I'll look to the past to kind of see how the future may unfold. So now if we look at summer, consolidation here. We had our sell-off here, consolidation. We rallied here, like kind of consolidation. This was like kind of consolidation, but it was a nice move there. And it's looking like we're kind of just consolidating right now as well too. So like summer is like kind of like a lull season, like not much usually goes on in summer. And then we can see that for fall, this was a heinous move to the downside here, but a heinous move to the upside. Good upside move there and huge upside move there. So fall is like one that has the biggest moves in it. 50% drawdown here. So this was a bull market top, the parabolic rally, and then the brutal sell-off, bear market bottom. And then here, like we kind of consolidated, like rally, another rally here as well too, and that was our top. So maybe thinking about it, this fall coming up could be, another sell-off like that. Or it could be just, another just consolidation. Or it could be, which we see a lot of, is that like a huge rally like that, something like that. So that's what I'm really looking for. And then like we can see like winter, brutal sell-off, consolidation, kind of upwards grind, brutal sell-off, consolidation, upwards grind to a brutal sell-off. Then this was a nice rally there, like consolidation there. So like winter is decent, but fall looks like it's a great time. Spring looks like it's a great time as well too. So that's how I use the 4 seasons indicator, and we'll be having the moon phases be implemented into this as well too. So that's going to be coming up on the next update, and that we're looking at the same thing. We're looking at the past kind of full moons, or we're looking at the new moons or waning waxing crescents to see kind of how the past ones reacted, and whatever it did historically, we'll kind of speculate that it might do the same thing again. So if we were to look at it quickly here, like a 12-hour chart, we can see that usually at new moons, we see bottoms. So new moon came in, and then right shortly after we had our bottom, we had our full moon, it was our top, new moon bottom, full moon top, new moon bottom, right? And then like we have the the microcycles within that, where we have the waning and waxing crescents here, usually you see like a sell off. I think this is the waxing one, sell off, and then you see the 1, 3, 5, 7 as well too. Those are kind of like micro trends within the trends of how the moon, the moon phases go. So you can look at these as well too, and usually 3, we saw sell off, 3, sell off, 3, and we kind of consolidated here. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. 7, like bottom right there. 7 bottom, 7 hit a bottom, 7 bottom, right? So that's what I'm looking for the 4 seasons and the moon phases. So that's it for this indicator. In the next video, we're going to rerun through the Stargate Fibma. So I'll see you there.